Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of crumpled receipts after a business trip? Or maybe you've spent hours meticulously inputting expense data into a clunky spreadsheet, only to realize you missed a critical line item. If you have, you're not alone. This universal pain point, the sheer inefficiency of expense reporting, is precisely where the story of Expensify begins. Before Expensify, managing expenses was, for most people, a nightmare. Imagine a world where every single business expense, from a coffee meeting to a cross-country flight, required manual tracking. You'd collect paper receipts, sort them by hand, perhaps tape them to a sheet, and then painstakingly enter the details into a ledger or a basic Excel file. Then came the submission process, often involving physical folders, inter-office mail, or email attachments that inevitably got lost in the digital ether. The approval process was equally cumbersome, with managers shuffling papers, querying discrepancies, and the whole system prone to errors and delays. Reimbursement could take weeks, sometimes even months, leaving employees out of pocket and frustrated. This wasn't just an inconvenience, it was a significant drain on productivity and a source of constant friction between employees and finance departments. The year was 2008, and the world was on the cusp of a mobile revolution. Smartphones were becoming increasingly powerful, and the idea of doing complex tasks on the go was beginning to take hold. It was in this environment that David Barrett, the founder of Expensify, identified a gaping hole in the market. He wasn't just looking to digitize existing processes, he envisioned a complete overhaul, a truly smart solution that would leverage this burgeoning mobile technology to eliminate the pain of expense reporting altogether. Barrett, a seasoned entrepreneur with a background in software development, had personally experienced the frustrations of traditional expense management. He saw an opportunity to build something genuinely disruptive, something that wouldn't just improve on existing methods but redefine them. His core idea was simple yet revolutionary for its time. What if you could take a picture of a receipt with your phone, and that picture instantly became a digital expense report? This wasn't an overnight success story, of course. The early days involved meticulous development, refining the optical character recognition (OCR) technology that would power the magic of SmartScan. They had to build robust systems for tracking, categorization, and integration with accounting software. But the vision was clear: create a seamless, intuitive experience that would make expense reporting less of a chore and more of an afterthought. Expensify officially launched, and its SmartScan feature was a game-changer. Suddenly, those piles of receipts transformed into neatly categorized digital entries with a simple snap of a phone camera. The ability to automatically sync with credit cards, generate reports, and even facilitate direct reimbursements further cemented its position as a leader in the space. They weren't just building a product, they were building a solution that gave people back their time and sanity. From those early days of solving a common business headache, Expensify has grown into a widely used platform, continuously evolving to meet the complex demands of modern businesses, all stemming from that initial spark of an idea to make expense reporting effortless. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.